Good morning. Myself Yasodha. I'm working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we'll discuss about matrix. So what is matrix? So it was introduced by a famous mathematician Arthur Cayley in 1857. So matrices has wide application in the field of mathematics. So what is matrix? A matrix is a set of elements organized into rows and columns. Right? What is the order of a matrix? So if there are R rows and C columns in a matrix A. So what is row and column? So row is nothing but it's a horizontal line in a matrix. So how many horizontal lines? So in a matrix A there are two horizontal lines, therefore it indicates rows. And what about columns? So columns is nothing but number of vertical lines or number of vertical elements. So there are two vertical lines, therefore the column is 2. So if there are R rows and C columns in a matrix A, then the order of the matrix is R by C. So the matrix A is of order 2 by 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. Next, we'll see types of matrices. First one, rectangular matrix. So what is rectangular matrix? We already know about the order, right? So based on that, we can say the rectangular matrix. In a matrix, the number of rows and columns are not equal. Then the matrix is called a rectangular matrix. Clear? So let's see the example. Let us take a matrix A is equal to 4, 5. So what is the order of the matrix A? So order of the matrix is denoted by number of rows by number of column. So number of rows is 2 and number of column 1. So 2 by 1. The order of the matrix is 2 by 1. What about the matrix B? 2 by 3. So 2 rows and 3 columns. And what about C? 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. These matrices are called rectangular matrix. So what is rectangular matrix? If the number of rows and number of columns in a matrix are not equal, the matrix is called a rectangular matrix. Clear? Next, column matrix. What is column matrix? It is very simple. If a matrix has only one column, then we say that the matrix is column matrix. So example, A is equal to A4. So it has only one column. We can say that A is a column matrix. Likewise, B and C has only one column. Therefore, B and C are the column matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? So before we talk about a diagonal matrix, we should know the square matrix. So square matrix is nothing but in a matrix, the number of rows and columns must be equal. Then we can say that the matrix is a square matrix. So we will see what is diagonal matrix. A square matrix with all its elements 0 except elements in the leading diagonal is called a diagonal matrix. Example, A is equal to 4, 0, 0, 6. So here only the diagonal elements 4 and 6. So other elements are 0. So this is called diagonal matrix. So row matrix. What is row matrix? If a matrix has only one row, then it is called a row matrix. For example, A is equal to 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5. So A and B has only one row, that is called row matrix. So we already studied about the square matrix. If the number of rows and columns in a matrix are equal, then the matrix is called square matrix. That A is equal to 4 minus 5, 6, 7. So the A is order 2. Therefore there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore the matrix A is a square matrix. Likewise B, 3 rows and 3 columns. B is a square matrix. Thank you. We'll see the next class.